Alright, good afternoon. This video documentation is with regards to your current issue with the 987.2 taillights. I've actually gone ahead and pulled up a set right here. Just kind of walk you through a couple of things we need right here. After speaking with the manufacturer, they did kind of indicate to us just a certain bit of documentation that they would require on their end, and then this would help us to get you a replacement and actually to streamline the whole process, because if we are able to get this documentation, this would actually mean we wouldn't have to follow the normal procedure of calling back the original affected light. We could just kind of move forward with getting the replacement light to you. So if you do kind of bear with me here, I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick just basically what we need from in terms of documentation to kind of move forward with this. So what I've gone ahead and done is actually wired these two taillights up to our power supply over here, 12 volt power supply. And so basically just going to recreate like what you're kind of seeing on your end. So as we understand it, the issue is with the light bar lighting up. So I do believe this is a parking light function for this. I may be incorrect, but I do believe it is for that. So this light bar function right here, as we understand it on your vehicle, you're saying the driver left side is okay, but the passenger right side is actually having a bit of an issue. And from the photos, it does look like you're having kind of certain bright spots in the corners, and then just everything else is kind of not lighting up as it should be. So as this is the case, what the manufacturer is requesting is actually if you could just do a quick video for us. And basically what this video would do would be, you would start off with the tail light, our tail light, the new one installed on your vehicle. Doesn't have to be actually bolted in. We actually prefer it just connected. And so you would go ahead and connect it, and we've done so right here just with a power supply, but you can actually do so with your vehicle's connector. Just go ahead and plug that in real quick and set it to, I do believe it is parking light, so set it to parking light just so that only the light bar is activated. Now once you've set it like that, on your end what you should be seeing is what you've shown me in the videos, which would be the certain bright spots on the tail light. If that is the case, what we'd ask you to do is just kind of grab your camera and just kind of pan up and down and just kind of show it from different angles right there, and even get a little bit from the side if possible. And basically what this is going to do is just really show the manufacturer that, you know, even from any angle that you're looking at it, it is just those certain bright spots that are lighting up, and it's not lighting up as it should be. Now this light, from certain angles, it can look you know, a bit brighter or dimmer in certain areas, but basically this video is to really kind of discount all that and just really just show that it's not lighting up as it should be. Now the next step in that video would obviously be to you know, go ahead and turn off the car, and you disconnect the taillights on these new ones, and you go and reconnect on your factory taillights. Now when you reconnect them on the factory taillights, go ahead and turn on the lights again in the vehicle, just so that the light bar portion would have been engaged. And just like in the photos you sent me, we should now see that the OEM taillights, the factory taillights, are lighting up perfectly with no kind of issues or anything like that. And then same kind of thing, just kind of go up and down and just kind of show them from different angles. Just really just showing that, you know, hey, my factory taillights are working, the new ones are not working. If you can show that in the video and just kind of get that little movement that I mentioned right there, that will allow us to present that to the manufacturer, and then we can move forward to getting a replacement for you, and most likely would eliminate the need to have to call back the lights, because as we understand it, you do have a bit of an urgency with this, and we'd love to get this resolved for you as quickly as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and also forward additional instructions via eBay, kind of better outlining you know, some of the points in the video here, and do feel free to let us know if you have any questions. If not, this does conclude the video documentation. Thank you so much.